Yo, hey guys, Ken Periman here, and I am back again with another product, and it's actually for me. It's advertisement, actually, because, yeah, my YouTube channel. I finally have received this. I say finally, it was within expected measures of time. I got it when I got it, but I finally got it for my Jeep. Yeah, I'm excited about this. I'm gonna be putting this on the Jeep, and I'll probably be putting it as low as I can in the window, just to help ensure everything's done just right. Yeah, but yay. And then I'm gonna do one on the other side. I'm gonna double check this. If I like it, it's gonna stay, and then I'll do one on the other side. And the vinyl status is where I got this. And you can order however, wherever you want in the size. This thing is huge. It starts off pretty small, but you can make it your own personal size. And I made it just the right size, I think. So without further ado, we gotta clean the glass, and then I gotta get this on here just right. And then I've gotta put it on and then make sure that there's no bubbles. So great thing about this whole product is, you know, it's UV resistant, so it should last quite a bit on the car before I have to replace it. And guys, relatively inexpensive, not gonna break the bank at all. These things, I can't remember the price. I mean, I'm thinking this was under 30 bucks. I'm thinking, if not right near there. And this is huge. So anyway, let's go put it on. So I'm gonna clean the glass using my Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. And let's make sure that this thing is even on. Move it to spray. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna get myself a couple pieces of tape here. Just wanna position it first where I want it. So we gotta center this and keep it level, right? So I think that is the spot. So just for now, so just to be sure, first, let me put this right about here. I don't think this is exactly the center point. It's pretty close. It's actually pretty darn close for this. Now, what I want to do is number one, there, maybe, there it is. Okay. Also, let's go ahead and get this tape off. We don't want to cause any issues with this. I'm hoping that I'm able to get this over here, and then let's not get too far ahead of ourselves there, guys. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to slightly, ever so much, just put this on little by little, minus the air bubbles. Now, if you had a nice little squeegee or one of those, like when you're putting on your window tint type squeegee, this might work, but you got to be careful not to scratch up the label itself. This is going on pretty well, actually. I think that this is going to work out just without, don't get too aggressive, don't go too fast. I think this is going to be just fine. I have one air bubble in there that I got rid of, thank God. I was able to get rid of. But yeah, I got a little too aggressive. I think I went a little too far, a little too fast. Okay, there we go. So now I should be able to peel all of this off. Let's start with this, guys, here first. Now, the only thing that I'm a little bit concerned about is that torn portion of paper. I'm hoping that doesn't stick to the label. I'm hoping I'm able to peel that portion off. And I'm telling you, not getting too aggressive on that at all. And there it is. What do y'all think? Huh? I mean, there it is. Now I know if there was larger bubbles, you could poke a hole and then squeeze it out. Generally speaking, a lot of times that hole won't be seen, especially at any distance. But I mean, on the Jeep, let me step back just a little bit for you so y'all can see that. Not too bad, I don't think. That's a pretty good size label there. Now that's a really simple label to put on. Be mindful of the bubbles, air pockets in there. Go slowly and surely and keep it peeled away and walk your hand all the way through it. And very easily, I mean, I've had other stuff that air bubbles just show up no matter what. This being vinyl, being flexible, and being able to be somewhat malleable, it goes on nice and well. In my opinion, it looks pretty darn good. Pretty good size label, yeah. So I'm mostly gonna get a label for the other side and just have that going. So that's pretty cool. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful for you. I do appreciate your time, and I'm out.